Hey guys, I recently switched from Vegas Pro to Adobe Premiere Pro as my editing software. In this video, I will mention a few important differences between both programs, so stay tuned. First, the reason why I wanted to leave Vegas Pro wasn't the feature set, it was the bugs and general instability. The program would constantly freeze, lag, or close itself randomly. That's extremely annoying, and it seems like the developers never cared about fixing any of these issues. With Premiere Pro, everything ran flawlessly. You can find plenty of videos online that promise to fix freezing and so on, but they don't really work. Plus, why am I required to do any of those things? I just want to use a working software to create videos. Anyway, if Vegas Pro works fine, it's great, but that's rarely the case. However, the rendering speed is significantly slower than Premiere Pro's. Rendering speed is definitely a big deal if I have to wait only 1 minute or 8 minutes like I've seen in a test of mine. This is especially bad for long videos. This almost defeats the purpose of using Vegas already, but let's keep going. To Vegas's defense, it's fast and efficient to edit in it, if it doesn't slow down randomly. What's great about Premiere Pro is the project importer, which allows you to organize your project in a more automated way. Also, the editing is consistent, but might take a bit longer to perform. A lot of features are smooth, powerful, and intuitive. Some features are very manual in Vegas, like resizing. Obviously, most video editing software has very similar features of that caliber. From a pricing point, both aren't much different either. Vegas Pro costs around $29.99, and Premiere Pro $22.99 per month if you pay for them at all. However, a downside of Adobe is that you cannot officially own the software perpetually. When looking at installation sizes, Vegas is better because it uses less storage space. However, this isn't a big deal nowadays. Having better and more stable features is certainly more meaningful than saving SSD space. In the case of Vegas, the poor stability may be due to outdated code that is more compact from back in the day. To conclude this comparison, one can argue that there is very little reason to use Vegas Pro, since Premiere Pro is better in almost every way. Especially the stability and rendering speed benefits are the most important reasons to point out. It's great to just be able to edit with no issues whatsoever.